Hare Krishna.
Yeah.
In conditioned state, we don't differentiate between the forms of the Lord, various forms of the Lord, Krishna, Vishnu, all other forms. But in the tattva level, what is revealed by our acharyas is like Krishna is the source, avatari. Krishna is the avatari that was revealed by our acharyas. And after the liberation, our
Krishna is the avatari, means you see, avatari, Krishna, Vishnu, they're all avataris. Avatara means manifestation of the Lord in this material world. Advaitam, Achyutam, Anadim, Ananta Rupam, that's not about avatara. That is himself becoming that. Absolute. But here when it comes in the material, accessible to the material senses is called avatara. Narayana is not avatara of Krishna. Mahavishnu is not avatara of Krishna.
So they are, we read from the script from Chaitanya Charitamrita that Krishna is the first person, Balaram is the second person, Chaturvyuha, and second from second Sankarshana,
right.
Narayana comes.
They are all expansions, not avataras.
So that means that is a tattva. Huh? Our acharyas revealed that Krishna is the first person is a tattva, right? It's not a rasa, right, Prabhu?
Right. So what is the question?
So is it like tattva-wise, Krishna is the first person, or rasa-wise, Krishna is the first person?
Tattva-wise, he is the origin.
Tattva-wise, he is the origin.
Origin, source, all this energy, these are all about tattva. When it comes to relationship, Narayana has a different kind of a relationship. Krishna has different kind of a relationship. That is for the rasa, there is a difference. But tattva-wise, there is only one tattva. Vasudevam sarvamiti samahatma sudurlabhaha. One tattva, Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Vishnu tattva. Among the Vishnu tattva, then there is again in the tattva, the qualities that Krishna has, that 100% qualities Vishnu does not have. That is tattva. So there is tattva also there, and then for the sake of rasa is a primary purpose in which he expands into all these things. There is no rasa of Krishna in Ramachandra. Right? But tattva is Krishna. He is the origin. He is a Lord. So therefore, Vishnu you can call as tattva. You can call as Krishna. Narsimha you can call as Narsimha. These words are used in our Gaudiya Vaishnava literature. Gaura Narayana, Gaura Narsimha.